Hi my loves, that's Gele girl here again. Today on today's episode on tutorial, we will be styling bridal round, V-shaped bridal round to be precise. So one thing I love doing first is styling my model's forehead, like the edges, yes, the edges. So what you want to do is just get any edge control that works for you and style in your own desirable style, as you can see me doing in the video. Moving on, one thing you want to also make sure is that when you want to start a bridal round, you're having a 90 length gele and at least 4 hair. It could be 5, it could be more, doesn't matter. The minimum should be 4 hair and it has to be 90 in order to get to your desirable height. So first thing is, measurement is what? 70-30. I love using 70-30 for my bridal rounds. So just make few pleats on your 30 and put on your model's head. After making your pleats, you tell your model to hold it as you have seen in my video. Then you arrange the first part of your gele. You should always learn to arrange to the very end. I'm also arranging my other parts. As you've noticed in the video, I'm only covering one part of my model's ear and leaving the other parts open because I am styling a V shape. I'm styling a V shape as my base. That is why I'm leaving one ear open and having one ear closed. Arrange to the very end. Don't leave anywhere scattered. As you can see in my video, I'm taking my time to arrange and unarrange. Don't leave anywhere open. So now you come to the back here, you also arrange. You have to keep arranging gele. In order to have very neat, you have to keep arranging gele. Now when we are crossing, shorter hands up, longer hands down. Like, let that be ringing in your head. Bisola Cynthia, let that be ringing in your ear. Shorter hands up, longer hands down. Cross neatly in the middle at the back and tell your model to hold this for you. So after you've done that, you come to the front and let's move on. As you can see in my video, this is my shorter hand from the 30. So just, if you had arranged your pleats the way I have mentioned earlier, it will be easier for you to do this that I'm doing right now. Just trace the pleats that you have arranged before and just trace it to the front. That is it. Like V-shaped bridal round is not even that hard. Cross neatly on the back and bring your mini fabric to the front to make your pleats. So this particular pleats that I'm making now will cover the other ear that we had left open, which will give us the perfect V at the front that we are looking for. As you can see, I've arranged neatly. I'm still arranging, arrange to the end and pin down. Just pin, and that is it. And when pinning, make sure you are careful enough not to poke your clients so that you don't look unprofessional. Like, be very, very careful. Don't poke your clients. After you've pinned down, we take our 70 to make the crown. For me, I like making, like, I count 1, 2, 3 pleats first. As I seen in my video, I like to make 4 pleats first. I tell my model to hold it, make 4 pleats to go round all the way to the back. Like, just make 4 pleats and pin at the back. That way it will secure your gele from shifting. I'm still tracing my 4 pleats to the back. You don't want to lose it. So when you get to the back here, fasten the pleats and pin it to the excess fabric at the back. As you can see in my video, like, make sure it is tight. That is what will secure the gele from shifting, no matter how hard the person dance or anything. That is why it's called a bridal round. It has to be tight all the way. As you can see, now my model can freely remove her hand and I can continue styling and start making your round immediately. Pick all your pleats from the middle. Don't take big pleats. Don't lose any pleats. Do not take premature pleats. Repeat after me. Do not take premature pleats, guys. Any pleats that you take from the middle must be the same size to the other side, to the left hand side and to the right hand side. That is why it is called a round. Your pleats must be even all through. It must be even all through. Take your pleats one at a time. Do not lose any pleats. And that is just it. That is just the basic rule of round. Round is not even that hard. One thing about it, you just need to stop, keep practicing. You can't be a pro overnight. When you tie today, tie tomorrow, tie next tomorrow, and keep on trying. Don't stop practicing. Don't stop, and that is it. As you can see, I'm taking my time to arrange my pleats, guys. Do not take premature pleats and do not take big pleats, guys. Resist the urge to take big. Always resist the urge to take big, and that is it. It's not even that hard. Pick your pleats until you exhaust your fabric. Keep on taking small pleats. Do not take big pleats. Resist the urge to want to take big pleats. And as you can see in my video, I'm making sure that none of my pleats is hiding, guys. If you pick a pleat and you notice that, oh, this place is hiding, you arrange it and bring it out, because you don't want any of your pleat to go into hiding, because it will look very uneven, like it will scattered, and you don't want that. So as you're picking, you raise a little bit so that your gele will not look small. Personally, for me, when I'm tying my round gele, I love to raise when I get to a certain stage, so that my gele will not end up being small, even if I'm still going to raise at the end, guys. Pick your pleats from the middle. Do not forget, as you pick, arrange, and make sure that your model is holding for you, and make sure your model is holding it tight so it doesn't fall off. Pick all your pleats from the middle. Pick small pleats. Do not take big pleats. Do not take premature pleats.
Story written in the skies. In your love my spirit flies. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift.
Pick all your pleats till you exhaust your fabric. Pick it to the end, guys, so make sure that there is no fabric left, and make sure that you are arranging as I've seen in my video. Now it's time to raise. Before you raise your gele, make sure you arrange. Just take one to count from the head, 1, 2, 3, 4, and raise, guys, because you are only raising the top and not everything. And be careful when you are raising your gele so that it doesn't fall off. My mother is still holding for me, and I'm trying to arrange my gele and make sure that everything is intact and I'm not losing pleats at any point. As you can see me say, just select few pleats from the top and raise. Raising is not hard. You just have to calm down and be professional about it. As you can see, when you are raising, also make sure that it doesn't scatter. When you are raising, guys, be careful that it doesn't fall off. That is why you have to raise your gele gently and carefully so that you don't lose any pleats. After raising up, trace your gele all through the end. Like, make sure that you are still holding your gele so that what you have raised does not fall down back, guys. You can see I am not leaving my gele at any point. I'm arranging, but I'm still holding on to my gele because I have raised it and I do not want it to fall right back down. Once you leave the gele, it falls back down. So I'm arranging, I am holding. Cynthia, you are arranging, you are still holding your gele. Do not leave it at any point. As you are arranging to trace all the way to the back, you are still holding on to the gele. And when you raise, you keep arranging. As you raise, you arrange. As you raise, you arrange so that your gele doesn't look scattered and it doesn't look uneven. It is a round. It will look round all the way through. After doing that, you trace your pleats all the way to the back, guys. That is why I said for round gele you have to keep on arranging. You just can't even be how should I put it now? You can't be in a hurry to finish it. You have to keep on arranging. As you can see in my video, I am still arranging all the way to the back, guys. Do not get tired of arranging. Arrange and arrange until you are very sure that every pleat is aligned, every pleat is on top of each other. Arrange and arrange, guys. My love, do not get tired of arranging this gele. Do not get tired. After you've arranged to the back, all the way to the back, I just wrap it around it. As you have seen in my video, just wrap. Gone are those days where we have to tie gele and all of that. No, you don't need all of that stress anymore. Just wrap it all around it, all the way to the back, and pin, guys. Pin, our bestie of life, Gile's bestie. Just pin, and you can see how my gele is looking. Very demure, very cute. And one thing you shouldn't forget is what? Arranging. Yes, you still need to continue arranging. Arrange till you can see that, oh my god, my gele is perfect. No, now see this beautiful work of art. What style will you love me to tell again in my next video? Comment it in the comment section, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. That's Gele Girl. Bye.